what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle.
It's a girl Claire. It's a girl Zoey.
So guys, even though Zoe's birthday gone, Zoe never get a chance to open her present due to me being up and down, not having no time, plus hello, no dad and there, so mama this. Mama. So due to me being extremely busy and me never want to open her gift until Chloe was here, right? So me never want to do that video here and left for Chloe. As I don't know, maybe a Chloe will help Zoe open her gift them, right Zoe? Tell them what they should do. Say subscribe to the channel.
You've subscribed to the channel. I watch the ads.
Alright guys, so make sure you all leave a like on the video. Follow me on all socials at @Rush_Shella, and make sure that when you watch the ads in order to support us, right? So sit, just pay attention for 1 second. We just do a quick and fast video here. Yes, a quick and fast video. So anyway guys, as I did show you all the dress that I got for Zoe dress, the dress and the something, the tail part to it. Chicky chaka boom boom, chicky cha boom boom, chicky cha boom. Bring the dress. Alright guys, so the dress I did get Zoe for her birthday. Mama, this. So it comes with two little things right here. Yeah, so you can pin this on it. And me not like guys. I like it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get an outfit like that for Chloe. I have to go back to Shein and go look through if I can get the same exact color. Me get the same exact color. So anyway guys, as you know, Zoe did end up getting money. Me never dark. I guess Zoe. I guess as my little one, Zoe did end up getting money for her birthday. And our daddy did end up give her money. Anyway, before our daddy did end up give her money before her birthday, like about 2 weeks or so before her birthday. Anyway, reach out to me and decide say he want to start play good father role. Anyway, and give me this here, right? I'm gonna take out one in there so I can see. So this shoes. This other shoes. So the pack the pan. So hold on. This is size 13. Oh, the two of them are size 13. In this size, I might get this for my birthday. This here. You even know the size of this. And then the last thing, this here. Alright, so
I'm going to help Zoe pull a gift.
So Chloe, I go help Zoe pull her gift. But before we move on to the gift, I don't know if I remember this. So we did this before Zoe turned 1 month, which is her hand and footprint. I never get the chance to place the picture here, so I still have her the ultrasound picture of her. I think this is 6 weeks. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get a picture of the three of us with the same size to put in here, so and then I'm gonna put it on the dresser. Somebody telling us that I will be presenting this to Zoe on her first birthday. I don't know, so Zoe not to understand nothing about that, but however, she can always look on her tiny foot and her tiny hand. Cause see Zoe, the foot bigger than this now. Now Zoe foot a plug. You see how far your foot a come from, Zoe? And your hand, give me your hand. Look, see how far your hand a come from? Open your hand, Zoe. See how far your hand a come from? Alright, so the gift for me to get Zoe now, Chloe I go pull it for Zoe because I don't think Zoe can. I don't think Zoe know how to pull nothing. Try pull it. Try pull it. Try pull it. Pull it. Pull the gift. Grab it and pull it. You gonna pull it? Pull it. Tell the sister pull it. No, and these are the first things I decided to figure about. So, alright guys, so we get them ball here. I did want 2 of them, but however, them not sell them in a 2. I have to just buy the 3 and done. So I say, you know what? These, like them here very soft. So I say, how do this go? Chloe, you know how this goes?
Huh?
Oh, wait now. Alright, so as I say, them very soft here. So you know, the 2 of them can have them to play with. You can have them ball them to play with. Alright, so this is a I think this is a remote car, even though them say a 3 plus, but whatever. But this is a times 1. Hold on. 2 times 1 times. Wait, hey. I'm gonna draw for something. So I have to go get battery for this here because I think battery is supposed to be here, so I'm gonna just put it in and then Zoe can have our camera to drive.
They're giving Zoe tablet at me.
Because the people them the teeth out fear. You know, see people them teeth out fear. And when you never can't remember, I say I did that tell me say you know, teeth people them teeth out fear. Like the Chinese people them take out the patty out of the dolly set. So anyway guys, me end up getting this now. This doll for Zoe. So when you know the same thing like Chloe, just that. For Chloe one, the people them they take out the patty out the teeth. The teeth out Chloe patty. So now Chloe and Zoe have to go share. 2 of them dolly have to go share patty. Yes, you have to go share with sister. Wait. You see tape people not here so. So guys, the reason why I get this is because alright, so Zoe, come see your baby. Put on your ball now. See your baby. See you get your baby now. See your baby.
Oh, then I need to pull.
Draw out the box. Baby. So Chloe hold this in her press.
It's come off. Oh.
This I can't even fit in this dolly mouth. Yeah. Guys, the people them rub with this. This is too big for this dolly. Yeah. That's
Oh, my dolly now works.
This is not for this dolly. We got two different dolly, and it's something now work. I think the other take off is something them.
I want that work tomorrow.
But she must be done.
Yes, that's a fear, baby.
So now, yes, so now you can lift Chloe. You can lift Chloe, dolly. I have fear one.
I can share with Joy too.
So it's see, dolly have patty, and then dolly have pampas.
Oh, safe put on it. Safe.
Alright guys, so she get them here. So pillar, nipple buckle for the dolly, pampas, and then
We have
the
nipple
patty.
buckle too.
Alright, so see Zoe. See baby, dolly,
Sorry,
Dolly?
baby.
come. You know business about dolly, you know, are you interested in a ball? You don't like it, dolly? Really, dolly?
So me and there for share party.
See? Yeah.
Thank you.
See? Feed her, I go feed the dolly. You know, dolly hungry here. You don't feed the dolly with the ball, you feed the dolly with the buckle. See? Yummy! Alright. Guys, I'm so interested in that ball. You know. Come, Dolly. Okay, stop that now. Alright guys, this is Dolly at the toilet. Zoe, they are feeding Dolly.
Hey.
Jesus, Zoe. I Dolly more to back of you and they Dolly. Anyway guys, I know she go love her Dolly, you know.